In this video, will this finally determine the next Bitcoin move? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first a quick recap ng previous analysis natin. So, di ba sa daily time frame, we have been monitoring this potential bullish cross nga. At the same time, sa weekly time frame, meron din bearish. May bearish dito na bearish cross in the stochastic RSI. So, right now, yung bias natin between bullish and bearish is still 50-50. So, mahirap mag-jump into a short-term trade. Ako, medyo tinatry ko siya i-long dito, but yun nga, na-hit yung stop loss ko dyan. So, ano ba yung kailangan natin i-monitor ngayon? So, if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin has actually formed a falling channel, and traditionally, a falling channel is a bullish pattern to the upside. So, in this case, what we might be seeing right now is a potential bullish movement back to the 80,000 US dollars. But yun nga, right now, very 50-50 talaga ang move na nakikita natin ngayon. We don't have a very clear pattern, or we don't have a very clear indicator on telling us where is Bitcoin currently going. So, but if may gusto kayo tingnan dito, let's jump into the weekly time frame, then plot the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high. From the all-time high to the current low. You will find na dito nagkakaroon tayo ng bounce dito sa Fibonacci retracement at the 75.5k. So, may support and resistance area forming currently. It is the 75.5k, and the 77.9k is the current support and resistance area na nag-form dito with the Bitcoin price action. But, ayun nga guys, in order for us to see this falling channel to play out, it has to break the 79.9k, kasi right now, that is looking like a very clear resistance ngayon. Ito, pakita ko siya. Ayun, no? Very clear resistance siya ngayon dito. So, ayun. Right now, it's still 50-50. I don't have any clear insight ngayon kung bullish ba siya or bearish. But if you're going to look at this pattern alone, it's looking like it's bullish. So, let's get this straight. Sa falling channel, it is bullish, but overall in general trend, it's still 50-50. So that is what I am currently going to say ngayon dito with the latest Bitcoin price action. And take note guys, yung long-term long position ko is currently still open. It's currently in Bybit. And yung mga short-term trades ko na ginagawa is currently kay Wix. So make sure to trade the short-term kay Wix and then long-term kay Bybit. All of my sign-up links are available guys in the description down below. But yeah, I guess yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.